the weather that I was expecting to do to change the oil on my 2001 Carrera 4. It's been a crazy hectic past couple of weeks with my personal life. I apologize for not posting the video. I upload a lot on my social media accounts, so you can add me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram to check out my daily updates. But let's go change the oil on my 996. I got 10 quarts right here of Liqui Moly oil. I'm only going to be using 8 on this Porsche 911. And I got a new filter. So the indication for 5 quarts is this. It's kind of hard to tell, but there's a line right here. That's 1 quart, and then you got the second line right here, third line right here, quart number 3, and then you got quart number 4, and then quart number 5 is right up here. Now let's bring the car up on the ramp. Now that the car is up on ramps, I'm going to put some towels so I don't spill. Now I got the towels in the bucket under there. I'm going to use my 5/16 Allen key to unbolt the drain plug right here. And then right here is the oil filter. So I'm going to use the clamps to remove. Woo! Ew, it's dark. I already had oil in there, by the way, old oil from another car I did. But look at that. As for the oil filter, watch out, this may spill. And this is the filter that I have. Let's take it out of its place. And here's the O-ring. We gotta change out the O-ring. Okay, now that we have the O-ring in, we're gonna remove the filter now. Put it in there. We're gonna grab the oil filter housing, screw back in place. Okay, it's in there tight. I don't want to crack the housing. Still draining, but I'm gonna just plug it back in because I got someplace to go. We're gonna pop it up and drop in 8 quarts of oil. Well, unfortunately, I lost my tunnel, my little thingy. Alright, so 5 quarts have been added. Now we just need to add 1, 2, 3. So up to this point is when we stop. Yep, and we were at 8 quarts, a little bit over 8 quarts, not a big deal. Now let's clean it up. Okay, so the car is at an incline, especially with the ramps on this little slope on the driveway. I'm gonna let the oil circulate through the hoses for a couple minutes, then turn it on, start the car, let it warm up, and take off for a little nice ride. Alright, we started up the car, letting it warm up. And that is how to change the oil in a 996. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more crazy content with my Porsche 911 and the project car Audi A4. Peace out. See you in the next one.